Hello friends, today I will explain the chapter number 1, the last lesson of English. Now this chapter is represent the day of Franco-Prussian and after gaining victory over Alsace and Lorraine in France, Berlin had ordered that only German will be taught in the school of France. France had started over school very late that morning. He was afraid of a scolding from his teacher, as his French teacher, M. Hamel, had announced that he would question the class on participles. As a result, Franz thought of running away and spending the day outside, but he hurried to school. On his way to school, Franz passed the town hall and noticed a crowd in front of the bulletin board. That time Emmanuel's strange behavior and many unusual things. When Franz reached the school, he was very surprised to find that everything was quiet. Franz noticed that all his classmates were already in their seats and Emmanuel was walking up and down with his iron ruler under his arm. Instead of scolding him, Emmanuel spoke very kindly to him and told him to take his seat. Franz had calmed down. He noticed that Emmanuel was wearing a special attire which wore only on a special occasion. He was surprised to see the village. People sitting quietly on the back benches, they all looked very sad because the order comes from Berlin. Emmanuel mounted on his chair and made the dreadful announcement. He told the class that it was their last French lesson. The order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alsace and Lorraine, and he would leave the school the next day. These words were a shock to little Frank. Now he remembered the gathering at the town hall. He regretted not having learned his lesson, but there was still time. Now he will never be able to learn them. The thought that Emmanuel was going away and Franz would never see him again made him forget all about how cranky Emmanuel was. Franz was feeling very sorry for him. It was in honor of his last lesson that he had put on his fine clothes, and the village people had gathered there to express their gratitude toward him and to show their respect for their country and their language. Emmanuel criticized himself and the people of Alsace. While Franz was thinking of all this, he heard his name called out. It was his turn to recite. But unfortunately, he got mixed up on the first word. He was ashamed and stood holding his desk. Emmanuel said that he would not scold him. Now he criticized the people of Alsace for their habit of putting off learning for some time in the future. He blamed their parents for not taking interest in their study. He also blamed himself for this. Now, country's people realize importance of mother tongue. Emmanuel then talked about the French language. He called it the most beautiful language, the clearest and the most logical language in the world. Now Emmanuel opened a grammar book and taught them their last lesson. Franz was amazed to see how well he understood everything. After that, they had a lesson in writing, and all this while happening, Emmanuel sat motionless in his chair. Franz thought that Emmanuel wanted to imprint this classroom scene in his mind. Everybody became emotional toward the end. Some even started crying. But Emmanuel had to courage and patience to hear every lesson to the last. Finally, as the church clock struck 12, Amhamel stood up. Then he tried to speak but choked. Then he turned to the blackboard and wrote as large as he could. Then Amhamel said, Bible France, which means long live France. Then he dismissed the class, signaling everyone to leave. That's all. Chapter finished. Thank you.